is a part 2 of the video regarding the effect of economy because of the COVID-19. In this video, I want to share with you the predictions for the coming couple of years. That means from now to 2022 June, which sectors are profitable and which sectors are going to incur losses. I have categorized sectors into 3 groups. First category is the loss incurring sectors because of COVID-19. Second category is the sustainable sectors even in this tough situation, and third one is the profit gaining sectors in this situation. First I will discuss about the probable loss making sectors. Passenger transport industry will have the negative effect because of this COVID-19. The passenger transport may be public or private. It can be public or private. So public transport and private transport may be affected because of the lockdown. And next one is the travels, tourism and pilgrimage. So tourism and pilgrimage will adversely affect because of this epidemic. So as the travel and tourism industry going to get some setback because of this COVID-19, consequently this hotel industry will also face the problems. In the same way, civil aviation also, because of the lack of traffic, the passenger traffic, the civil aviation will be suffered with huge losses. And the same way, avionics also, that means aircraft manufacturing companies. So those companies which are manufacturing the aircrafts, those companies will also incur losses because of the lack of orders. Furniture and interior designing industry, these factories will also going to affect because of the COVID-19. Next, holiday resorts. We have seen so much in the recent past, so much of development in the holiday resort sector, time sharing base. Real estate and the construction business will also be affected here. You can also notice that decline will take place in the luxury passenger car segment also. So people may not purchase the luxury cars. Decline will also take place in the passenger heavy vehicle industry like bus manufacturing, bus bodybuilding units will also suffer with this pandemic. Floriculture will also suffer with the pandemic, producing flowers and all. And the industrial banking sector, the sector is also going to affect with this pandemic. Construction work in the metropolitans and cosmopolitan cities will be decreased, but villages like that, there the construction work will rise. People will construct their own houses, individual houses, and somewhat apartments will also take place in that particular areas. But in the metros, we cannot expect a big rise in the apartments. And the next one is the gold and jewelry sector. As people prefer the essential products only for the coming to a couple of years, they may not purchase the gold and the costly jewelry in this particular period. There was a surge in the gold price so far, even in this pandemic also. But from coming December to June 2021, from this December 2020 to June 2021, the gold prices will see the correction. A fluctuation will take place in the gold prices. I can say that gold prices will decrease in the first half of the 2021. Again, after that from 2021, second half onwards, the gold prices will get some consistency, and 2022, gold prices will rise again. Second segment, that is a surviving sector. Even though in this critical situation with the low turnover of the businesses, we have some industries which are going to survive in this particular period. So those industries I am going to discuss with you. Books and stationery, construction material like cement, iron, electrical items, plumbing items, PVC pipes and all, and logistics, goods logistics, marble, granite and ceramic tiles industry, automobile spare parts, passenger cars of lower range segments, two-wheelers, maybe scooters and motorcycles like that, two-wheelers, they will sustain in the present situation. Retail banking sector will also in the surviving stage. Poultry and meat industry will also in the surviving segment. Brewing and alcoholic industry are also in the surviving stage. So these industries, even plastic will also be in the surviving stage. Even in this critical situation also, there are some sectors which are going to take the profits, which are going to develop their turnover, and they will see some sunshine in their businesses. The first one is the health and medical companies. In the health, like hospitals and health segment, that particular sector will see the big growth in the industry. And second sector is the pharmaceuticals and Ayurvedic industries. Pharmaceutical and Ayurvedic industry will see a huge development in this tough situation also. Food-based products in agriculture also. There won't be any effect to the agricultural products. At the same time, aquaculture. There will be a good prosperity for the aquaculture industry and the other industries depending on the aquaculture. Vitamin supplementary industry. Those who are manufacturing the supplements for the vitamins and proteins, that particular industry will also see the growth. FMCG will also see the growth. Multimedia animation industry will have a very good of opportunities, as a real-time shooting may not be possible in the near future. Filmmaking companies will prefer the animation sector. Mobile and internet service providers, those people will also have the huge opportunities to gain. E-commerce companies will also have so much potentiality to raise their profits. We can notice there are going to be huge growth in the turnover of e-commerce companies, online shopping companies. The excavation work of petroleum and other oil will take place so much. A huge production increase will take place. Even that business turnover will also be very good for the particular segment. This analysis is for the coming 2 years, how the economy will be, how the different sectors will be affected with the COVID-19 and the lockdown in the whole world scenario. After June 2022, most of the businesses will come into the normal position. From 2023 onwards, most of the businesses will get the productivity. From that, we can expect a good environment and good profitability to most of the companies. Loka samasta sukhina bhavantu.